Okay, this video is for proof that this compressor is running. Before I ship it out, I want to make clear pictures of the serial numbers and slowly go through everything on here before I ship it. Serial number on first motor. Second motor. And the tank itself. Okay, then we have the pipes here going through this. Walk around, everything is not damaged and good working order. Tank in the back. And on this side, nothing is damaged. On the bottom, and the other side. Okay, now we're going to turn it on to pump air. Pumping here now. Pressure starts raising up. Both motors are running. Okay, so the motor stopped. Now I'm gonna release some air so it can start pumping again. And both motors are pumping again. Okay, they stopped. And started again on its own. Pumps to 80 and stops like it should. This is as far as I did the test, so I don't guarantee anything, any installation or any other tests that went farther done. This is just so to see the compressor starts and pumps air and stops and starts. So this is the purpose of this video.